Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad K Sangma haga kendai terik uluber arajar arpulai. Ulabati kamnya kekinhon Menteri ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2.0. But ulabat haladi ya ketenat finance, ke mining but geology, but ru ke home political. Conrad Sangma ulabat haladi ya ke planning, forest and environment, mining and geology, information technology, personal, program implementation, cabinet affairs, but kiway kitanat ba klem ai syekiway pat ki menteri. Ubak preston tensong ubabat ya kesyuki sembut menteri rangba ke jela, ulayok ban bat ya ketanat home, police, PWD roads, PWD building, district council affairs, bat ketanat parliamentary affairs. Umasnya bhalang dhar ubalakeu sya kekerdan sembut menteri rangba ke jela, ulayok ban bat ya ketanat urban affairs, transport, industries, prison, but correctional services. Uba AL hek ulayok ban bat ya ketanat animal husbandry, fisheries, printing and stationery, but ke secretariat administration. Kekong amprin lingdo kalayok ban bat ya ketanat health and family welfare, law, IPR, but ketanat agriculture. Uba Paul lingdo ulayok ban bat ya ketanat social welfare, tourism, arts and culture, but ke textile. Uba coming one umban ulayok ban bat ya ketanat food, civil supply, water resources, home, civil defense and home guards, but ketanat cooperation. Abu Taher Mondal ulayok ban bat ya ketanat power, community and rural development, but ketanat taxation. Uba Kermenshela ulayok ban bat ya ketanat excise, revenue and disaster management, legal, metrology, but ketanat home, passport. Marcus and Marak ulayok ban bat ya ketanat public health engineering, housing, but ketanat soil and water conservation. Urakam is Sangma ulayok ban bat ya ketanat education, general administration department, but ketanat border area development. Upa Shakliar Warzri ulayok ban bat ya ketanat sports and youth affairs, labor, but ke registration and stamps department.